What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Ford Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a small flathead screwdriver. So your Smart Key may look just a little bit different than this. This is actually supposed to have a chrome strip that runs from here to here. This one is just worn and that has come off. So if you notice yours looks a little different, that's why. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the top of the Smart Key. And that's done by pressing this button on the back, and then the key will slide out like that. This one's a little worn, so I couldn't quite push the button far enough in with my finger, is why you saw me use the screwdriver there. You may or may not be able to use just your finger, but in any case, you need to get that key out. And once that key's out, if we hold it with the buttons facing down, and we look in the bottom, this is the slot where the key goes in, and then there's this slot right here. If you get your flathead screwdriver in there, you can pry up on the back like that. And now we see our battery right here. Go ahead and pull that out. We'll grab our new one, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And it just kind of sits in there like that. Then we'll grab our back, and we want to start this side in first, like this, and then just snap it down. Make sure it's all the way snapped together. Put our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.